look at my creative process in detail when I'm editing. This is Adobe Premiere that you're looking at, and I've just added a voiceover track, which is here. This is my main timeline. This green thing down here is my main timeline, which is actually making the model. This here is a voiceover, or rather a facecam track that I've just recorded, and I'll show you the raw track. That's what it looks like. This is me with the green screen and everything, and I'm just going to actually add myself to the video in the bottom left hand corner. So the first thing I need to do is let's just come along to where I want to exactly end the music. You can hear it playing. Right, let's go back, go forward until I actually start talking. I'm bringing my head around there to start talking. So if I start the music, stop the music about there. Right, let's just drag this track. This is the music bed, so let's just drag this back to there. And that should nicely fade out as I start to talk. Let's confirm that. Yes, perfect. Right, next thing I need to do is I need to crop this image because this image is too big. So what I'm going to do is we go over to our effects panel and I type in crop. If I spell it correctly, let's type in, oops, I still spelled it wrong. Oh, let's type crop. There it is, and I just drag the crop onto that. I come over here to my effects, and let's crop left to start with. I'm going to crop about there. Let's crop right about there, and I'm going to crop some of the bottom off. So let's crop some of the bottom off. Right, okay. Yep, that's good for the crop. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the size to 45%. That's done. And now I'm going to move me over to the corner. So drag this along there. And drag that down there. Right, that's me put in the corner. That's the right position. Next thing we need to do is we need to lose the green screen. So what I do is I look for Ultra key. And I drag it onto the clip. I'm over to the effects, and then we've got Ultra key. Now, because I've got a fairly even green screen, I'm not using a green screen, that's software. I can use aggressive on it because it's all even colour, it's all well lit. So I click aggressive, click the dropper, click on the colour, and bang, there we are. We're completely green screened out. So, or I'm completely removed the green screen to leave me with the image in the background. Glue on the small parts like the wheels and tyres like I am. It's very... Audio is a bit rubbish. So what we're going to do is we're going to correct that by going over to Essential Sound, making sure that I've got the audio track selected, click dialogue, and I'm going to use the default balanced male voice, which I've already set up in advance to make my voice sound realistic. So let's have a listen now. Your hands much dirty and getting paint and glue on your fingers, so sometimes I use gloves. But I don't like using gloves. I find that I make my hands very straight. So that's the face cam overlay done, and we just need to put the music in between the next bit of the track, and we carry on. And I go through the video like that. So this is a track that I've added, or this is a face cam track that I've added after I've done some more recording. Normally I add the face cams as I'm going along, but this one I've come back and I've looked at it again and thought, yeah, I need to change something there, and that's what I've done. So I've come in and I've dropped that face cam track in there. So that's part of my creative process of making the videos. So I hope that's been of some interest to you.